Welcome to Golf Buddies by GOLFFLOG, episode 8. Now starting. Happy Halloween, G-Flows! Trick or triple.
Welcome to Ghost Golf Shots Quiz. I will show the pictures of each golf shot's ball flight to Romeo.
And then I will give the correct names of golf shots for each picture. Will you join us on this Ghost Golf Shots quiz? All right, let's begin.
Will Kim hits a golf ball and the ball is traveling to the direction of white arrow. What type of golf shot is this called?
A piece of cake. Juliet, please give me a harder question for the next one. The answer is straight.
Wow, that is correct. How about these two golf shots? Green arrow, which the ball travels from right to left, and pink arrow from left to right.
Another piece of cake. My favorite color, green arrow, from right to left shot is called draw. And your favorite color, pink arrow, from left to right is called fade.
Very impressive, Romeo. Since you wanted a little more challenge, how about these shots? These shots are not considered as good shots. Draw, fade, and straight are great shots. So, Romeo, what do you think? Ready to give me the answers?
Uh-oh. I only know the three good shots, draw, fade, and straight. I don't really know the rest because, well, I usually hit good shots only.
Romeo! You need to stay humble. If you brag like that, the golf gods might curse you next round with only these wrong shots.
Oh no, you're right. I'll be careful next time. But still, I really have no clue what these shots are.
Then how about we ask our GFLOs for help? Let's turn this into a Halloween challenge. We'll send our lucky coin to 2 G-Flows who guessed the shots correctly. One picked by you, and one picked by me.
That's a perfect idea, Juliet. Let's do it. G-Flows, we need your help.
Guess the names of each ball-fly path in the image. Leave your answers in the comments. 2 winners will receive a free GOLFFLOG lucky coin. One picked by Romeo and one picked by Juliet. Winners will be announced on October 31st. Thank you. Let's go frogging!